Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I'm also perfect and thanks to my love for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet amigurumi doll free ideas. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern, beautiful designing, beautiful ideas, and fabulous crocheting work. Some are beautiful crochet frock wearing ideas, beautiful crochet romper. Very nice. Different ideas, different style, beautiful designing. Good comment section, press the bell icon. Very nice. Beautiful ideas. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.